I'm going to show you how you can save $826 per month by consolidating these popular e-commerce apps down into just one dashboard application that accomplishes the same things for just one monthly fee instead of seven. To do this, I'm going to briefly pull up each of these apps to talk about what they do, and then I will demo little pieces of an app that I've been developing for the last 4 years or so called Boardroom. Hope you like it, and let's get into it. Now, before we go too far, I do want to stress that I'm not really here to rag on these 7 tools by any means. I think they're all great products, but the point of this video is that if you are tired of paying for so many different apps, you can cut down on your monthly subscription fees by consolidating your tech stack and looking for a dashboard like Boardroom that can accomplish the functionality that you need. All right, preamble over, let's get into it. So the very first tool that I want to look at is an app called Bloggle. Bloggle is an AI-powered blogging and content writer application for Shopify brands. It comes with some SEO scoring, some keyword optimization features, and if you pay $39 a month, you can actually insert products from your store into the body of the article as well to help you monetize your traffic. So great features here, but $39 a month if you want some of the really important core features. Coming over to Boardroom now, I want to show you that we also have an AI-powered blogging feature. All you have to do on this page is enter the keyword that you want to rank for. In this case, I want to mention also that you could do keyword research in Boardroom, which you can't do in Bloggle, but we'll get to that later. For now, I'm going to enter in a keyword like snowboard boots. I can have AI suggest a topic for the article. I can enter a tone for the AI and a word count and a ton of instructions, and then I'll click generate here. All right, successfully created blog post, and here we go. You can see that on the left side of the page. In Boardroom, you get an SEO editor, so we analyze the text here. We give it an SEO score and a series of optimization tips for how you can, make sure that this post has the best chance of getting organic traffic from search engines for your business. Now, last thing I wanted to mention is that we also are connected to your Shopify store. So you can click Add Products. You can pull in a couple of your products from your store if you would like. You can customize the design and click Add to Blog Post. And then we actually create these little widgets directly into the body of the post so you can monetize the traffic that you're going to hopefully start getting from this particular blog post. So Boardroom has a really great AI-powered blogging tool that is comparable to the likes of Bloggle, but that's not all we have. Let's move on to our second tool of the day, which is Photoroom. Photoroom costs about 13 bucks a month for the most popular features here, and this is gaining steam because Photoroom allows you to use AI to replace the background of your product images. This can help you save money on product photography and freshen up the creatives on your website, your social media posts, and your advertisements. So again, 13 bucks a month, not too expensive to be honest, but Boardroom does have a very similar feature. And in fact, we integrate with Photoroom. So if I come over here to create content, choose product photos, I'm taken to this page in Boardroom. And again, the one thing that we have that Photoroom does not have is that we are plugged into your Shopify store. So what you can do is actually search for a particular product on your store. Let's say this snowboard product. We'll pull in the current main image on that product page. And then you can come down here and choose a template or enter a custom prompt for how you would like to replace the background of this particular image. So in this case, since we're looking at a snowboard, I'm going to go for snow-capped mountains and just click generate. Now this usually takes about 5 to 10 seconds. And there we go. So we get a brand new image background for this snowboard product. You can generate as many images as you want in Boardroom. We don't limit it at all. You can copy, save it to your desktop, delete it, or publish it directly to your connected Shopify store. You could set it as the main image as you want, if you want to, right from here in Boardroom. So another really cool feature in Boardroom that is, again, comparable to, actually integrates the same technology as Photoroom. All right, tool number 3 is called BeProfit. This is one of many such apps on the Shopify App Store that can help you to track and optimize your net profit at your store. Because typically, you're just looking at top line revenue in the Shopify analytics. So this has some integrations that can help you pull in, spend from Google Ads and TikTok and Amazon and Google Analytics and that sort of thing, and run some analytics and create some profitability reports for you. Definitely a useful feature and something that every e-commerce business should be doing is tracking their profit. Now, this starts at $49 a month here. That's for up to 450 orders per month. And so the pricing scales up from there. Coming over to Boardroom, Boardroom is also, in addition to those AI content features that we've looked at so far, it comes with, for the same price, this multi-channel analytics and profit tracking tool. So what we're looking at right now is our profit and loss report in Boardroom. This is kind of a formalized financial statement that you can look at on a monthly or annual basis. It breaks down all of the most important business metrics here, and this is exportable and shareable via email as well. But this is just kind of one type of report in Boardroom. I also wanted to mention we have a ton of analytics and reporting features. This is our overview page, which gives you kind of KPIs and how they're trending over time through some data visualization tools. And you can customize the view here and hide and show which metrics you're most interested in. You can create customized reports as well that are automatically sent via email. So there's a lot that we're doing here, and Boardroom also integrates with various data sources so that you can track your profits accurately inside the app. All right, next up, we have the mega popular SEO tool called SEMRush. Now, yes, I know what you're thinking. Does Boardroom really replicate everything that SEMRush does? And full disclosure, no, we are not a full-fledged technical SEO tool like SEMRush. However, in the world of e-commerce, most businesses don't really need all of the features that SEMRush is offering under the hood. So you're paying $140 a month for these SEO tools, when in reality, what you need SEMRush for as an e-commerce company is keyword research, maybe some competitor research, and maybe some site audit tools as well to make sure that you're optimized appropriately. Those are kind of the core things that you need as an e-commerce company. Well, flipping back over to Boardroom, we do offer a keyword research feature, as I mentioned earlier. Ours is powered by AI, so you just enter in a single seed keyword and we'll brainstorm, 50 keywords for you so that you can find some high traffic but low competition keywords to start targeting on your website. Now, in addition to the keyword research feature, we also offer some SEO audit capabilities, which you can use as a competitor research tool in addition to auditing your own website. So you can see here, you can get the domain authority for any site that you want. You can understand traffic, how old the website is, backlink profile, referring domains, website speed and performance, backlink report. There's a ton that you can do here inside of this SEO audit page in Boardroom. You can get down to the nitty-gritty details of looking into individual backlinks from your competitors to understand how they're driving SEO at their business. So again, there's a lot that's going on here. I should also mention you can integrate Google Analytics 4 into Boardroom to track your traffic and conversion rate metrics as well. So SEO is another huge feature inside of Boardroom, and it's all included for that one monthly fee. All right, tool number 5, we have Polar Analytics, and this is for kind of data junkies out there who want a little more information when compared to, just the basic profit tracking that we looked at before with BeProfit. This tool integrates with lots of tools to pull in all the data you need, and it surfaces all of these, beautiful customizable dashboards that you can look at, check all your KPIs at a glance. Things like customer acquisition costs and lifetime value, custom reports. There's a lot of great stuff going on here with Polar Analytics. Now, I will be honest, I was actually shocked when I saw the pricing for this app. It's currently starting at $300 a month. I know that this tool in particular used to cost something like $50 a month back in the day, but evidently they've scaled that up significantly. And again, what I'll say is most e-commerce companies really don't need all of the features that are under the hood here, but Boardroom offers most of them, to be honest. So for example, coming over here, you can see that Boardroom has an advertising analytics page right here in the dashboard. So we pull in ad data from Facebook, Google, Amazon PPC, and TikTok, and we surface all of the insights here in this easy to digest dashboard. To me, this is way simpler than logging into all of these ad accounts individually and trying to sort through the clunky, Facebook ads dashboard, for example, maybe downloading spreadsheets and combining it with Google's data and TikTok's data and trying to gauge, the performance of my ads. We basically do all of that for you, give you these, KPIs across the platforms, let you filter and sort and visualize how one platform is comparing to the others. And we give you these grids as well so that you can dive into, any column that you want, sort and filter and run custom reports on your data as well instantaneously. So all this is super useful. And this is just one of our sort of analytics features. Boardroom has a ton. We have an inventory analytics page as well. So you can start tracking, when products are likely to go out of stock and your fastest and slowest selling products. You can look at more product specific KPIs to get a better understanding for your top products by profit margin and revenue and net profit and cost of goods sold, and tons of other things like this are going on here under the hood at Boardroom. And it's super easy to add data sources. You just come over to this integration tab in Boardroom. You can sync as many Shopify stores or Amazon stores as you have, no extra cost per store. All can be synced to one dashboard in Boardroom. Or same thing with ad accounts. You just click this button, select your ad platform, and follow the prompts. It takes about 30 seconds or less to start pulling in the data from your accounts. So super easy multi-channel analytics baked right into Boardroom. All right, 2 more tools to go. The next one here is called Segments Analytics by Tresl. And this is a customer segmentation tool powered by AI. So this is, again, a great tool if you're somebody who likes to run really targeted advertising and email marketing campaigns, SMS marketing campaigns, anything where you need to segment and understand your customer behavior better to inform your marketing decisions. This is a great app. It's really powerful, again, powered by AI. It does start at $200 a month. So in Boardroom, we also have a CRM tool, we like to call it. And essentially, this is a customer list page that also tracks customer lifetime value, average order value, returning customer rate, number of orders per customer, and a ton of data about every single customer that's come through your Shopify site. Name, location details, how long they've been a customer, how many orders they've placed recently, discounts, refunds, average order value, you name it. We have profit by customer here. It's all here and it's all totally flexible. So you can sort by these columns and you can filter by them. You can export these to Excel and sort of create your own custom segments on the fly very easily. But we also give you predefined segments here in Boardroom. So these are meaningful buckets of your customers, like your big spenders, people who have bought more than once from you, people who use discount codes, etc. These are all super useful, again, in your advertising targeting, your email marketing, and your SMS marketing campaigns. All right, and jumping quickly to our last tool, because I want to keep this video to be relatively short. I'm actually looking at a service this time, and this is fatjoe, a popular SEO marketing agency that is often used for e-commerce companies to grow their backlink profile. This is their blogger outreach service, which is a common service that SEO agencies offer. And it's designed to help you grow your backlink profile reliably and safely and get high quality links to your site. This can boost your domain authority and help you grow organic traffic over time. And now scrolling down here, we can see that they price this based on the domain authority of the referring website, meaning the website that links back to your site. And you can see that they start at $83 a link. For DR20 plus, which is really probably the lowest you really want, it's $110 per link. So kind of expensive here. But what I will say is that Boardroom also offers this service. We have a network of bloggers that we can reach out to on your behalf. and get them to link back to your site. And our backlinks cost on average 25% less than fatjoe's. So this is sort of an add-on service in Boardroom, but I wanted to mention that it's cheaper than the average service, but also offers those high quality white hat backlinks that are going to help you boost your domain authority over time. So definitely consider that if you're doing SEO inside of Boardroom. So in conclusion, tally all of that up and you're looking at a monthly fee of about $850 for these 7 apps and services. Boardroom, on the other hand, starts at just $24 a month. So yes, like I mentioned at the beginning, you can save up to $826 a month by consolidating these tools or similar tools that you may be using down into this one dashboard app. Best of all, we offer a 7-day, no commitment, free trial so you can try it out for yourself and just see if Boardroom adds value to your business. If you made it this far, I want to thank you sincerely for watching this video. My name's Charlie. I'm the creator of this app, and I'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.